Jesse James and Cal Jane, Billy Kid, all the rest. Supposed to be some bad cats out in the West. But when they dug me and my Lucky Luke ways, they hung up their guns and they jumped into the grave. 'Cause I'm a lonesome cowboy. Say, I'm a lonesome cowboy. When I ride with the sun, the girls who look at my gun say he's a lonesome cowboy. I shoot faster than my shadow, but I never kill. Some say I'm the last true hero. Shooting is my skill. I try to hide my solitude, but there's always some dude who stands up and tells them, you just don't realize that he's the lonesome cowboy. In the morning, lonesome cowboy. Yeah, when I walk in a saloon, the outlaws drinking at noon say he's a lonesome cowboy. So I'll jump on my horse, ride across the far, far west. I rope 65 bad guys, make sure none of them dies. I put them all under arrest, 'cause I'm the fastest shooter. Never $1 reward for me, all over this country. Sheriff say, are you Lucky Luke? In a very deep voice. And I say, yes, brother sheriff, and that's your prisoner on the back of my horse. 'Cause I'm a lonesome cowboy. Yeah, I'm a lonesome cowboy. Yeah, when I leave with the sun, the girls who look at my gun